I have a reason. You can never reach the level that I'm at this season. I got the strongest heart emotions, I don't have a weakness. I'm building up a legacy of 40,000 seats. Hey, I have a reason.
Yo, sesiphinde sabuya futhi onyaka nomutsha ku-2023 untonto bashisele ohlelo ntoni nilithande kakhulu oluthi ithini into yakho bakwethu. Namhlanje sivakashelwe umfana omncane kakhulu, umfana oshaya hip hop, uCrystal MG, umfana wethu wale kwaMakhutha. Uzobe khona ke kodwa before lo mfana ngimbize lo mfana eze angene ngaphakathi ezitudio zethu zakwathini into yakho. Ukuthi ke sithi ukuyobona ivideo emnandi bayibonga iduma yengoma emnandi kakhulu ethi My Chocolate wadlada ke shebeleka nendlondlo. Yes.
Hello. Sanibonani futhi once again siyabonga ukuthi nibe khona kuhlelo lethu ithini into yakho. Today siphathele iartist esisancane eliphumelele kwamakhutha njengoba ngangishilo ukuthi siphathele into local ezalamlazi niningane futhi letheku. So sifuna ukwazi kabanzi ukuthi kwenzakalani khiphani ngalo siza ukuthi hayi umfana usounda kanjani. uCrystal MG. Crystal MG. Siyakwamukela ihlelo lomntwana.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila. So yeah, just so ngena kuyona nje. Ethu umncane. Ungakanani?
15. I'm 15 years old, but I'm currently turning 16 in April.
Wow. And was ganja what decided nini ungena kwi-industry music because usamncane phela?
No, it's about my artist motivations now. So that's about they I tried and so say primary.
Okay.
Yeah, but it started as a joke until it became a passion to me.
Wow.
Yeah.
So as in you say it started as a joke, it's a passion mind. Imisebenzi yakho sewenzile sekuyini sengithi passion?
I've like performed in events in previous events and I've contributed to like youth I'm like involved in our features like now Sunday nabo like we do something that is gonna contribute in YouTube
Oh wow. Since you're 16, like I'm still at school, I assume you're still at school.
Yeah, I'm still at school now. I'm doing grade 11 this year. I'm up to college on Wednesday.
Your manje ekhaya bayavumela or uyivumela kanjani?
No, they fully support me as they appreciate super ngithela namhlanje and provide daily transport ukuthi ngizela namhlanje.
Wow.
So I wouldn't miss the chance.
Oh wow, intense emnandi lapho. So like njengoba ushilo ukuthi we are support umndeni wakho in doing this thing like your peers ukanjani khona, do you relate when you talk esikoleni or else because you're doing music because abanye like abanye lokunye?
No, yeah, I do relate. Phela ngathi yabo nje esikoleni ngingathi rapping is something that is more supported. So
yeah,
it's something that yabo nje esikoleni we like at school ngama break there will be like ciphers and all this stuff. That's where like I started learning hip hop, more about hip hop culture and freestyling and all this stuff.
Oh, so each genre yenzayo is it hip hop or do you do other genres?
I do other genres,
yeah.
But hip hop is my first accomplishment that I ever accomplished in music.
Yeah. And since you're still in high school, I think we discovered this way you have to choose subjects as on time career or
I've already done that.
Yeah.
I've already done that. Example grade 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've decided to go with my career choice about drama, tourism, and more.
Wow.
The entertainment sense and the entertainment sense like ngikwazi ukutravel indawo eziningi.
Oh, so actually you are two steps. Yeah. You thought about this thing.
Yeah.
No,
like I set it down and thought about it and like, you know what? I'm very good in case it does what I'm saying in career because if I choose something that doesn't involve with my career, like things will get strong.
Yeah.
So let me just go with drama and tourism.
Oh wow, that's great. So la uhlala khona, tell us more about indawo uhlala khona eselokishini kwenzakalani, do you also perform ngakhona?
Yeah, I also do perform ngakhona. Kwamakhutha is a very small township. Akhona ama-artists khona maningi, believe me. Ukuthi ama-artists akhona kwamakhutha they don't like involve themselves in front of social media. They're too shy to like produce their voices in front of people. So as mina ngathi mhlawumbe ngowesi-5 kwabantu kwamakhutha mhlawumbe aba serious about the passion of music.
Okay, so njengoba usushilo ukuthi they don't involve themselves on social media. What steps have you taken or platform that we can find you on social media?
You can definitely find me in SoundCloud, YouTube, in Instagram. Futhi on my Instagram, post my video. I'm posting ngoma zami ukuthi uzophuma nini every single day, to keep myself updated. And my friends, I'm gonna be updated.
Yes, and another thing, what are your plans? Just like after school, have you thought about okay, since I've chosen my subject, I'm saying now, where do you see yourself after high school?
I see myself at Joburg, at Jersey, like I'm going to school and you're to carry on and focus on my studies about music and school. It's probably gonna be like 4 to 3 years and then I'll see that I've fully evolved to like ngikwazi ukubhekelana nezami iy'nkinga zomculo ngikwazi nami ukubhekela into zami yabo.
And futhi usayingane engangishaya ubabaka le nto zokubuzayo like niyazi ney'ngane lezi zinto zoma-datanyana is it strictly nje ukuthi nje no namantombazana awabo nje uzwa kanjani ulife okay take a breather because just what about some you go on dates already the music
Music.
or noma sayithola kwamanye ama-tracks lalela ama-lyrics hlezi wagadile wehlezi wagada ama-lyrics is okay alright.
Yeah, phela uzola ama-lyrics uyamuzwa ukuthi ama-lyrics ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo hayi sekhetshile this guy or this girl hayi the things that she's saying or he's saying in his music hayi so deep manje bathandi. And after 2 months ubona umculo esecula ngengoma zama-heartbreak ubone ukuthi hayi sefileke
no kasiyamayi so you always stay true ukuthi sikubone. And another thing like mhlawumbe ama-tracks usuwawenzile like you do ama-singles singawazi ungatholaphi have you done a single or EP anything like that?
EP, I'm dropping an EP on June. I'm working on it currently, but the drop on June. I'm a single zami, I saw that SoundCloud, just like I said. Kona clubbing it's 4 songs on SoundCloud, Crystal MG, one said, yeah.
And is there any place esingathola khona esaziukuthi uzobukhona mhlawumbe coming soon?
Like in areas then
yeah, where you're gonna perform misazi ukuthi okay it's in awukhona so washikubona.
That's it. Well, lapho ke ngadepend ukuthi lawo bantu labo abazolevula ama-event or is it people that I know or people yabo abazoba because I've already wrote my details on Instagram. Bakhona abantu abangifonela if we need you at this time, we need you at this place. But then I'm gonna still look into that if abantu basazongifonela bangifuna.
Yeah, you're still finding your really like your feet thing ukuthi management like uzohamba kanjani.
Yeah, it's not that easy since they are grade level.
Yeah, like, it's cool and lokho nisendlalile ekhaya nakhuluma ngakho ukuthi is it ngempela a passion that you should go into as a career, and have you planned steps in moving forward now?
Yeah, we discussed about it and we said about it, we talked, everything went well. If you make me proud by going to school and learning about your music, then you carry on with the music. We made a deal who's made in schooling, if I pass the schooling, so
no pass at school, no music.
Like
definitely so decision there. So yes. Hi guys, nizwele, nibonele, and I hope ukuthi nizokwazi ukumchecka lapha ku SoundCloud, niyazi yobheka ukuthi umfana uphetheni, uCrystal MG, and nizweke phi nizwe khona la Ithini Intoyakho, sihle siniphathele into ezi-right ezimnandi, and people who are actually discovering themselves and into the industry. Make sure ukuthi every time you tune in and futhi you hit the subscribe button and also the notification button hlezi nazi ukuthi sikhona Ithini into yabantu la ngaphandle. Ithini into yakho. Thank you so much.
The reason why you rapping, ho, I have a reason. The reason why you aim for platinum gold, I have a reason. The reason why your heart is half as cold, I have a reason. The reason why you say you can't provoke, I have a reason. Sheesh, sheesh, I have a reason. You can never reach the level that I'm at this season. I got the strongest heart emotions, I don't have a weakness. I'm building up a legacy, if only that could see this. I have a reason. You can never reach the level that I'm at this season. I got the strongest heart emotions, I don't have a weakness. I'm building up a legacy, if only that can see this. Ayy, this is a dream that only people know I'm fighting for. It's leaving bruises on my body and it's kinda sore. Well, that's the pain I'm going through that only I absorb. Support is something that I need, but you provide it more. It's been so tough for me, I pray to Jesus Christ the Lord to give me strength to light my journey, but he light it more. If you compete with me, I shoot the hoop and how you score. The score was 0 out of 4, like it's a -4. My future lies ahead of me, then I approach. I'm tired of haters that keep on stepping me like a roach. I'm bound to stay true to myself whenever I'm supposed. Round of applause, to me, I know I'm the most. I bet you know, I never thought I'd see myself an inspiration either. Although these rappers got caught up by imitation fever. Don't wanna lie, but I was just sleeping in disorder, dreaming about the demons that was creeping in my corner. Ayy, I'm tough enough, 3 little haters in front of me, so I huff and puff. Trying to bring me down to selfish luck. Just fuck it up, I leave the baggage on the boat. Like nobody told me that shit was above us. I know the truth. The reason why you rapping, ho, I have a reason. The reason why you aim for platinum gold, I have a reason. The reason why your heart is half as cold, I have a reason. The reason why you say you can't provoke, I have a reason. Sheesh, sheesh, I have a reason. You can never reach the level that I'm at this season. I got the strongest heart emotions, I don't have a weakness. I'm building up a legacy, if only that could see this. Ayy, I have a reason. You can never reach the level that I'm at this season. I got the strongest heart emotions, I don't have a weakness. I'm building up a legacy, if only that could see this. Ayy.